Hi everyone, we got a brand new boat from Barletta. This is a 2026 Sanza 22 QC. Really nice, sleek, matte black exterior. And what I love about this boat is that you're getting a little bit extra deck length in the front. Again, this is new for 2026, so let's pop inside. I want to show you this nice seating. Good spot for the cooler here. You have JBL speakers, chargers in the front, nice and easy to lift seats for storage. Again, this is a tri-tune, really nice shape. Co-captain, captain layout, storage, ski locker. You're still getting plenty of space in here. And the dash, I absolutely love. It's very sleek, very easy to use. Have your Marantz fish finder, gauges right in front of you. And of course, I love this very easy speaker knob. It's right in front of the driver. This is the QC layout, so quad bench all the way through, powered by Mercury 150. Nice ski tow bar, and you can put a flag here. We just got these at MarineMax in Nisswa, so come check it out today.